Okay guys, Killboy here, and I'm in the Joyce Kilmer Memorial Forest parking area. I just finished up a video demonstrating the route from 129 over to this section, and now I'm going to head out here, back out to this intersection. It's like just a little half-mile run, and then I'll show you Maple Springs Overlook Road, which is the road that dead ends up at a really cool overlook, but unfortunately it got damaged by the forest fires a couple years ago, and they still haven't gotten the time or budget, I suppose, to repair the wooden walkway pier that goes out to the overlook. So for now it's closed off, but it's still a neat road if you're looking for you know, a little something different, get away from the typical traffic around here, something to add to your route. It's pretty cool. It's the one that the SCCA, Sports Car Club of America, shuts down a couple times a year to run an event up there where they race up the couple mile section of it. So this intersection, again, 129 is straight over there, 143, the Skyway, is up there about 2 miles, and we're going to go up this dead end Maple Springs Overlook and H-A-O-E trailhead. I don't know how to pronounce that. Howie? Help me out. Alright, so 4.5 miles uphill, and they just resurfaced this. So it isn't terribly smooth, but it's a lot better than it was before, but it's still a challenge. And if you're not comfortable with you know, some bouncing around, your suspension's real stiff, then this may not be the road for you. But yeah, if you got an adventure bike, softly sprung car, truck, SUV, or just a bit of adventure on a sport bike, you might get a kick out of it. You can let it ride. There's pretty much a guardrail the whole way up on the right, and just as I say that, it stops. And then on the left, it's pretty much all wall. So you're kind of going up the side of a mountain here. This little area right here is where they normally park like big vehicles. When they do the racing, they'll drop their trailers there and stuff like that. Woo! Boys behind me in the pond probably eating my ass up because we're going uphill. He's got 340 horsepower and I've got 10. Some of you regulars may recognize some of this. We do a lot of shooting and playing up here in the winter when this gets snowed over because there's not much traffic on it. So we kind of get it to ourselves to play around on. A lot of our winter footage is shot on this road. And it's nice that they've been resurfaced because, like I said, it was pretty rough before. The layer of snow kind of smooths things out, but it's still noticeable. Sports cars when we try to come play on it. So this will be kind of nice. Get a little inch or two of snow on it. See how far uphill we can make it on flat tires, two-wheel drive cars. What's fun about it though, it's all uphill, so go as far as you can, then just turn around, back down. Turkey on the right. They can fly. For long though. For those of you that are hill climbers or interested in the hill climbing, follow it. I think you're going to be pretty pleased with how it turned out. It's still not Formula car ready, but not too bad. This turn right here, well, that's not what I was thinking of, but never mind. Tightened up a little bit, but there's another one up here that's much more dramatic. Yeah, there doesn't seem to be very much debris on the road from where they resurfaced it. Like a lot of times there'll be, you know, gravel and stuff like that on the road for a couple of years, especially when it doesn't get any traffic like this one. But it seems like they came through and really did a great job of hitting it with the sweepers. A little pull-off that they normally set up the ambulances and stuff in for the racing. This is the one I'm thinking of. Yeah, this one's called Lori's Lefty, named after my wife. On the racing committee, and yeah, it just kind of tightens up, and it's a little bit tricky, but most of this road is pretty tame. I mean, all the turns are practically like 40, 45 mile an hour turns. They're pretty consistent, and it's not a terribly difficult road to figure out. Get a little bit chillier. I can actually feel probably a 5-10 degree difference in temperature from the bottom. Like this little section right here, something about it. Real sleepy. This road seems to be on the eastern side of the mountain, so it comes into shadow pretty early, later in the day. This is sort of the finish line when they're racing. You know, use this section right here to sort of slow down, go up here to this pull-off parking area on the right, turn around and get staged up and go back down and come down and bump through. Right, we're almost to the top now. Up here, this is the end, and there's the Maple Springs Overlook, and then this is the little walkway that goes out. Not very far. It just splits and goes around that mound of earth there for about, I don't know, 100 feet or something, and then there's like a deck that encircles a tree. There's a tree going up through the middle of it. And I've gotten some photos and videos and stuff from out there you guys might have seen. But right now it says, attention, the Maple Springs Overlook is closed until further notice due to wildfire damage. Entry onto the Overlook and associated structures is prohibited. So federal law, don't do that, okay? It's very tempting to jump over that. There's nothing to it, but this is a federal thing, so be careful, you guys, about doing anything that will get you in trouble. But you can kind of go up here and see a little bit, and hopefully by the time you guys see this video, if you're not watching it the day of, this will be opened up again. I think the fires just, they did some back burns. The fires didn't actually get up here, but they did some back burns, and I think some of that got up under the posts and weakened some of the posts. So they're just concerned about too many people being on it, I think, and so they shut it down until they can refix those. But I'm not certain about that. That's just what I assume. Boy's going to get a couple shots of the making. This is another place in the winter we come up here and play in the snow sometimes, so You've probably seen this before if you've been following me a little bit. So there you have it, Maple Springs Overlook run, now freshly resurfaced. Like I said, it's not perfect, but it's a hell of a lot better than it was. And yeah, come check it out if you're up here and you get the chance and you want to get away from the riffraff. It's a pretty cool little run. Thanks, y'all. Catch you next time.